Hello everybody, this is Nora, and on this video I am going to show you how I came up with this fabulous mermaid design that I created using nothing more than my brand new chrome polishes or chrome pigments, as well as my cat eye magnet polishes, some Swarovski crystal pixies, glitters, and what have you. So needless to say, I'm very proud of this design, very pleased on how it turned out. So without further ado, I am going to leave you to the tutorial. Alright guys, so here you have it. This is the final result of my mermaid nails, and I have lots of pictures after because the duochrome, or I mean the dual color on these chrome polishes is just fantastic. And I mean, they have different, I don't think the camera's picking it up here and giving it enough justice, but I took pictures out. Unfortunately the sun was not out, but I have pictures on artificial lighting and as well as outdoors, and the looks sometimes change depending on the shifting of the colors. And you saw how I went about creating this somewhat of a 3D raised effect on the scales of the mermaid tail nails, and that took quite some time, but I was able to make it come on. There you can see all 3 or 4 different effects. So I hope you guys like this tutorial. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and thank you for watching.